Morning to all. Welcome to Marlai Tamil. Today we will go to see about 7th and 8th letter of Tamil alphabet. Okay. 7th and 8th letter of Tamil alphabet. Okay. Let's we go to how to write 7th letter of Tamil A. Okay. This is called A. Short sound A. Short sound means Kuril letter A. Okay. Let's we go to how to write A. First, we put one loop after one curve. That's right side curve. Okay. First one loop after one curve with one sleeping line after one standing line. That's all. This is Kuril A. A. One loop, just right side curve with one sleeping line, one standing line. This is A. 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 That's all. This is Kuril A. Tamil, 7th letter of Tamil, Kuril A. This is Nedil A. Just pronounced A. Just pronounce we like us A. Long sound A. Okay. First we saw Kuril letter A. This is A. Okay. Nedil. Nedil means long sound. Okay. Let's we go to how to write Nedil A. We put one small A after one slanting line. Left side slanting line. This is Nedil A. So, we already know how to write Kuril A. After we put one slanting line means it's Nedil A. So, it's very easy. We first learn how to write Kuril A means automatically we put Nedil A. Okay. Nedil A means A. 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 It's Nedil A.